AP connection. Insert only the power cord and press the power button briefly. Open the protective cover. Place the black card on the carving and rotate the laser knob. After the observation spot becomes the smallest, the focusing is completed. Open the mobile app store. Search for Cut Labs. Download, install, open. Exiting the software, open the phone settings, WLAN, and find the hotspot Wainlux K10 on the machine. Enter the default password 12345678 and click to connect. Reopen the software and click on the connection icon. Enter the default machine IP address 192.168.0.1 and click to connect. Click to start creating. Then click on the image icon, load a picture from your phone and click next. There are 4 optional modes: monochrome, jitter, contour, grayscale. Click next. According to the material of the carved object, set the corresponding carving parameters. Here, interval 0.05 and overscan 1 are set for better results. Move the pattern position with your fingers. Click Preview. Observe the rectangular path of the laser and find the correct carving position. Click on Power on Engraving.